I just had to throw my battery away. It was dead. When I picked up the truck, it was on a trickle charger, just keeping that charge. When I stopped in California, it was about 5 hours that I was stopped at the hotel. When I started it, it was struggling to start. The next day when I was at home and I got up, it was a little bit longer, maybe 8 hours of me not driving. Battery wouldn't start at all. So I knew I needed to start at the battery. So I went and got myself a new battery. I've been reading a lot about AGM, not AMG as I was calling it before. AGM batteries, which is basically a battery where the electrolytes are absorbed into fiberglass mats rather than just flowing freely like in a lead battery, which means it's really good for vibrations. I wanted something that would do well out here in the heat of Las Vegas. Batteries die almost every year out here. You have to get a new one every year, it seems like, because the heat just kills batteries. They're really good at delivering energy, are really good at cold cranking amps, you know, and also charging really well. They charge fast, so if you get a bigger alternator, it will really help that battery keep its charge and be ready to do whatever you want it to do. This is the battery that I'm going to put in it. So for this truck, it's a 65 class battery. I got a Ultra Platinum AGM. I wanted it to be reliable. AGM means you can't spill it. It's you can store it in any position. You can move it around, which is great for off-road. And it's got 775 cold cranking amps. Batteries from 2017, so it's pretty old. So what I did, I took the battery out and I took the tray out. It connects here, here, and then here. These were rusted through, so they were just spinning, and so I ground them out. I cleaned up a little bit of the rust up here. These are not looking happy at all right here. This is the battery tray, and it sits kind of like this. I've cleaned it off a little bit, but there's still some rust I got to get off before I spray paint this, get it cleaned up and put back on. And I had some U-bolts, so I can just slip those over the side, just like that. Wheel on my grinder. I got where I could with this, but there's some places that you just can't get to. So I spent some money. I got the aluminum oxide or aluminum oxide, however you want to say it. And I got the portable gun. So I'm not using a tank to do this. I'm just going to use my compressor at home. Looks like they just go on like that and then screw on. Well, that's the aftermath. I used about half the box. I think if I was going to do it again, I'll get a bigger compressor and I'd probably get the cabinet there.
Look at this sick music GoPro. What are the people who watch your videos called?
Tubers.
The tubers?
Tubers.
They're all your mustaches.
Do I need a name for them?
No.
Mustachios?
If you're talking to them. What's up, Mustachios?
So this is just Rust-Oleum Rust Reformer.
Yeah, I got some heat to it now. Woo!
Yeah. Just like that. Nice and tight. Oh yeah. Okay. That easy. I put my U nuts on here. Move this out of the way. Tray just comes down, sits like that. Like that. Oh, you're such a naughty. Oh, that's exciting. See? I gotta look after my feet.
You don't even know her. Her name's Claire.
Oh, Claire!
You don't know
From England?
Yeah, don't you know her? You used to live there. Don't you know everybody who's ever lived in England?
That's on. Okay, the battery's installed. Perfect. Alright, job done. I'm gonna be tackling another job pretty soon here, so stay tuned for another video. I'll let you know how it goes on.